The television market is a battlefield where tech giants constantly vie for supremacy, each year unveiling new weapons in the war for your living room. Samsung, a titan in the industry, has consistently been at the forefront of this innovation, especially in the realm of QLED technology. Their latest offering, the Q7F 4K QLED TV, seeks to conquer a new frontier, delivering premium features at a price that's accessible to a wider audience. Available in a range of sizes to suit any space, the Q7F positions itself as the entry-level champion, promising a knockout punch without breaking the bank. But can it deliver on these ambitious promises? Let's delve into the heart of the matter and examine the Q7F's strengths and weaknesses. The Q7F boasts an impressive suite of features designed to entice budget-conscious consumers who refuse to compromise on quality. Its 4K QLED display promises vibrant colors, deep blacks, and crystal-clear details, while the inclusion of gaming-centric enhancements aims to capture the attention of avid gamers seeking a competitive edge. But the Q7F is not just about visual prowess. It also boasts a robust smart TV experience powered by Samsung's intuitive Tizen operating system. With a plethora of apps, streaming services, and voice control capabilities, the Q7F aims to be the central hub of your home entertainment ecosystem. At the heart of any great television is its display, and the Q7F doesn't disappoint. The 4K Ultra HD resolution delivers 4 times the pixels of standard Full HD, resulting in breathtaking clarity and sharpness. Images come alive with incredible detail, making every scene, from sweeping landscapes to close-up portraits, a visual delight. Samsung's quantum dot technology takes center stage, infusing the Q7F's display with vibrant and accurate colors that pop off the screen. Prepare to be mesmerized by the expanded color gamut, which reveals subtle shades and nuances that were previously hidden in the shadows. But the visual feast doesn't stop there. The Q7F also boasts support for high dynamic range, a technology that expands the range of colors and contrast, resulting in more realistic and immersive viewing experiences. HDR10+, Samsung's proprietary HDR format, further enhances the picture quality by optimizing brightness and contrast on a scene-by-scene basis, ensuring that every frame is displayed with stunning clarity and detail. Whether you're watching the latest blockbuster movie or your favorite streaming show, the Q7F's display technology elevates every viewing experience. For gamers, the Q7F offers a suite of features designed to enhance their gameplay and give them a competitive edge. Auto Game Mode automatically optimizes the TV's settings when a gaming console is detected, minimizing input lag and ensuring a smooth and responsive gaming experience. Say goodbye to frustrating delays and hello to lightning-fast reflexes. The Q7F also boasts AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, a technology that synchronizes the TV's refresh rate with the output of compatible graphics cards, eliminating screen tearing and stuttering for buttery smooth visuals. Samsung goes beyond the basics with features like Game Motion Plus, which reduces motion blur and judder in fast-paced action sequences, ensuring that every detail remains crisp and clear, even during the most intense gaming moments. Super Ultra-Wide Game View allows gamers to experience their games in a wider aspect ratio, providing a more immersive and expansive field of view. And for gamers who demand the most immersive experience, the Q7F supports variable refresh rate, which eliminates screen tearing and stuttering by synchronizing the TV's refresh rate with the output of compatible gaming consoles and PCs. Section 4. Beyond the screen smart features and seamless integration. The Q7F is more than just a television, it's a smart home entertainment hub. Samsung's Tizen operating system provides a user-friendly interface that's both intuitive and customizable. You can access a plethora of streaming services, including Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, and Hulu, directly from the TV's home screen. The Q7F also boasts built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to seamlessly connect your smartphone, tablet, or other compatible devices. Stream your favorite music, share photos and videos, or control your TV with your voice using the included remote control. Samsung's Bixby voice assistant is always at your command, allowing you to control your TV and other compatible smart home devices with simple voice commands. Ask Bixby to change the channel, adjust the volume, search for content, or even control your smart lights and thermostats, all without lifting a finger. The Q7F also supports Apple AirPlay 2, allowing you to effortlessly stream content from your iPhone, iPad, or Mac to the big screen. Section 5. The verdict. Is the Q7F your gateway to 4K entertainment? The Samsung Q7F 4K QLED TV is a compelling option for budget-conscious consumers who demand a premium viewing experience without breaking the bank. Its stunning 4K QLED display, coupled with HDR support and a plethora of picture-enhancing technologies, delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and impressive clarity. Gamers will appreciate the inclusion of gaming-centric features like Auto Game Mode, AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, and Game Motion Plus, which ensure a smooth and responsive gaming experience. And with Samsung's intuitive Tizen operating system, a plethora of smart features and voice control capabilities, the Q7F seamlessly integrates into any modern living room. While it may not boast all the bells and whistles of its higher-end siblings, the Q7F punches above its weight class, delivering exceptional value for its price. If you're looking to upgrade your home entertainment setup without emptying your wallet, the Samsung Q7F 4K QLED TV is a worthy contender that deserves your attention.